Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Altitude in diamond black crystal pearl. With LED reflector headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 15,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, remote start system, power sunroof, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7795.